Hello and welcome to our channel where we talk about sustainable living and energy saving solutions. Today we're going to discuss a topic that we know is near and dear to many of our hearts: how to save thousands of dollars on your energy bill with solar power. We all want to be more energy efficient, save money and contribute to a healthier planet. Solar energy is one of the best ways to achieve all of these goals. In today's video, we're going to teach you everything you need to know about DIY solar power so you can start saving money and reducing your carbon footprint. Section 1. How solar power works. Before we dive into the details of how to install solar panels, it's important to understand how solar power works. Solar panels are made up of photovoltaic or PV cells, which convert sunlight into electricity. When sunlight hits a solar panel, the PV cells generate an electric current, which is then converted into usable electricity by an inverter. This electricity can be used to power your home or business, or any excess energy can be sold back to the grid. Section 2. How much money can you save with solar power? Now that we know how solar power works, let's talk about how much money you can save by using it. According to a recent report by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, solar power is now the cheapest form of electricity in history. In fact, homeowners who switch to solar can save an average of $100 per month on their energy bills. Over the lifetime of a solar system, that can add up to tens of thousands of dollars in savings. Section 3. DIY solar power installation. Now that we've covered the basics of how solar power works and the potential savings, let's dive into the details of how to install your own solar panels. DIY solar installation may seem daunting at first, but it's actually a straightforward process that can be done by anyone with basic tools and electrical knowledge. First, you need to choose the right type of solar panel and inverter for your needs. Then you'll need to install the panels on your roof or in a sunny area of your property. Finally, you'll need to connect the panels to the inverter and to your home's electrical system. We'll walk you through each step of the process in detail and provide you with tips and tricks to make the installation as easy and efficient as possible. Section 4. How to maintain your solar panels. Once your solar panels are up and running, it's important to take proper care of them to ensure they last as long as possible. The good news is that solar panels require very little maintenance. You should regularly clean them with a soft brush or a cloth and keep them free of debris and shading. You should also regularly check the inverter to ensure that it's working properly. We'll give you all the tips you need to keep your solar panels in top condition. Section 5. Conclusion. So there you have it, everything you need to know about how to save thousands of dollars on your energy bill with DIY solar power. We hope that this video has inspired you to take the first step towards energy independence and sustainability. Remember, the benefits of solar power go beyond just saving money. It's also a way to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.